Hi and welcome to this video. I'm at the head office of the Market Harborough Building Society and I'm joined by Mark Robinson, who is the CEO. Hi Mark, thanks for having me.
Hi there, how are you?
Yes, very well, thank you. Would you mind starting by telling everyone a little bit about you and your role within the society?
Okay, me and my role, well, as you said, I'm the chief exec. Everything stops with me, you know.
Okay.
And maybe the interesting thing for you is the lending decisions kind of stop with me as well. So,
Right, okay.
you know, we take quite a close interest. There's 120 of us here, so we're
Yeah.
kind of medium sized for a building society.
Yeah.
But it does mean we actually know every broker, we know every applicant actually, and we know every case. So, yeah, we're all over it in terms of that. The Building Society is 150 years old.
Okay.
Nearly.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
2020. So
Yeah.
we've got some exciting plans
Good.
for that. Watch out if you live in Northamptonshire and Leicestershire.
Yeah.
And I guess what we're about personal service, which is it's a cliche, isn't it? But maybe we can talk a bit more about what I mean about that. But
Yeah.
we're you know, like a family business really.
Yeah, great, okay, good. So you mentioned there it's about the personal service. That's kind of what you pride yourselves on.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit more about that and some of the examples.
Well, we tailor mortgages, and it's again, maybe I'll explain what I mean by that. Typically, if you go into a lender, you'll walk down to the counter and they'll tell you, here's the list of the products.
Yeah.
And then they'll try and fit you to their products.
Like off the shelf type product almost.
And it's like, you know, it's like if you want a suit that fits, not that this one does, you go and get it made, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
And sometimes, you know, an off-spec suit's fine. That's fine, and the high street's got its place.
Yeah.
What we're really about is about the bespoking and the tailoring. That's so something fits the individual perfectly well. So
Right.
Loads of examples. So it could be an older borrower.
Yeah.
It could be somebody with a complex income. You know, they've got you know, they haven't got a 9-to-5 job. They've got an irregular income. Maybe they're self-employed. Maybe they've got a mix of investment income and employed income. Maybe they've got an unusual property. But actually, maybe they've got all these factors all rolled into one complicated bundle.
Yeah.
And if you are like that and you walk into a high street branch of, you know, other people I won't mention the name of, they'll look at you and go, no, we can't compete.
Yeah.
But for us, that's the start of the dialogue really.
Yeah.
It's understanding two things: what are your personal circumstances, and what actually you're trying to achieve in this transaction, because we can help by shaping the deal to make it even better than you perhaps thought it was going to be when you walked in.
Yeah, great, fantastic. So it's safe to say then that you treat every case individually.
Yeah.
You look at it on its individual merits.
Absolutely.
And will underwrite it accordingly.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be thought of as, you know, like a sort of a Captain Mannering sort of figure, but there is something in that's the value of the personal service, the actual careful listening and careful questioning that allows us to create something that is unique, and loads of different facets as well. So when somebody talks to us, they say, right, we're going to buy this property with our kids. It's like, okay, well, let me tell you about something about stamp duty you may not have thought about. Have you thought about the options that you might be able to, you know, do to create the solution that you want?
Yeah.
And then as the dialogue expands, maybe you can go in a different direction entirely, where you say, well, do you realise we'd let the back bedroom on a tenancy, and actually, you know, well, that's going to give you another 400 quid a month, which might really help the affordability. Yeah. So it's that sort of exploration, which sounds long and a bit turgid, but it's not. It's actually a conversation between equals, really, and whether that equal is a mortgage broker or whether it's the customer direct. That's good for both of us, you know.
Great, fantastic. And you mentioned there you accept your mortgage applications from both direct channels in your branches, and you also accept them from mortgage brokers, like myself.
Carefully selected mortgage brokers.
Of course, yes, And what would you say is the benefit to a consumer of going via a mortgage broker?
Well, it's a big, old, complicated market, and I suppose if you want to help, you know, have help navigating through that complexity, then a broker can help you do that. Sure. A good broker can help you do that.
Of course, yes.
As we said. But actually, for some folks, they're you know, to make the analogy go way too far, they're seasoned travellers already. maybe they're remortgaging for the second or third time.
Sure.
Maybe for them actually that's a broker's may not be the best way to go if they've got pretty simple circumstances.
Yeah.
But the people we see, they've got busy lives, they've got complicated lives, they value expertise,
sure,
and they value the way that a broker can hook them up with some solutions that are really going to work for them.
Yeah, good. And I think, is it safe to say that the interest rates that you offer on your mortgage is never going to be sitting at the top of best buy products like the huge high street lenders?
Yeah.
So you do rely on brokers having quite a wide amount of knowledge and expertise regarding your propositions and your criteria to encourage business from brokers.
Yeah, I think that's right. I mean, we're going back to my comment about off-the-peg suits and made-to-measure suits. You expect to pay a bit more for a made-to-measure suit that fits you perfectly than one that you go and it's like, well, it's a bit short in the sleeve and I don't like this. So that's value added for the customer. And as I say, the bespoking can be almost infinite. You know what I mean? If we want to change the term, if you want to have a mix and match, so you've got different parts of the mortgage on different terms and different products, that's fine. If you want to have a development element, if you want to, like I say, let the back bedroom or even Airbnb it, we can accommodate all that
stuff.
stuff.
Okay.
And that's exactly the solution that you won't get when you're walking off the high street. So the best buy tables are great, but it's only the starting point. And I think a lot of the folks who watch this video will know that it's a world of disappointment sometimes when you go, I'm ringing up about this product I've seen in the paper, tell me about it, and then actually 3 questions later they go, you don't qualify for this product. Yeah,
if you're not on a high income with a good amount of deposit, clean credit, what we class as vanilla,
you're self-employed, or you're too old, or actually you're an expat or something, and we don't do expats. We do all that stuff.
Great, fantastic, good. Well, thank you very much for your time this afternoon, Mark. I appreciate that. If anyone watching wants to connect with you, you're on LinkedIn?
Yeah, you can find me on LinkedIn. Mark Robinson, there's probably about 50 Mark Robinsons. It's this one here.
Look out for this face.
This face, you can't see the wrinkles, but my profile picture approximates to this anyway, and hook up with me, and we'd love to talk to you.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thanks very much for your time, and as always, if anybody's got any questions or queries about the video today, feel free to reach out to me, and I'd love to hear from you.
Thank you.